In this section, we shall learn about the plants. Plants grow all around us. They grow on lands as well as in water. It has been estimated that there are about 250,000 types of plants. Introduction. Observe the picture carefully. It shows the parts of a typical plant. The parts that remain under the ground form the root system, and the parts above the ground form the shoot system. Root system. So, now first we learn about the root system. There are two main types of root systems: taproot system and fibrous root system. Taproot system. In the taproot system, a single root comes out from the seed after germination. Taproots are also called true roots. Later, smaller roots called lateral roots branch out from this primary root. Mango, neem, pine, shisham, pea, carrot, radish, turnip, and beetroot are the examples of plants in which taproots are found. Fibrous root system. Fibrous roots, which grow from the base of the stem, have a bushy appearance. These roots are thin and almost equal in size. You can observe these roots by pulling out some grass from your garden. Grass, maize, wheat, onion, sugarcane, and rice are examples of plants in which fibrous roots are found. Functions of roots. These are the common functions of root. Anchoring the plant. Roots help to anchor the plant firmly into the ground. Absorption of water and nutrients from the soil. Roots help plants to absorb water and nutrients from the soil, which are essential for their survival. Preventing soil erosion. Roots help to bind the soil particles together, thereby preventing them from being carried away by water or wind. Sometimes, roots are modified to perform various other functions such as reproduction, nutrition, etc. Root modification. After learning the functions of root, now we will learn about the root modification. A. For storage of food. The roots of some plants such as radish, carrot, turnip, sweet potato, and beetroot store food and become fleshy. B. For climbing. Some plants have climbing roots that help the plant to climb up a support such as a wall, rock, example, money plant, black pepper, and beetle. Shoot system. All parts of a plant that are above the ground form the shoot system. It includes stems, leaves, flowers, fruits, etc.